Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Ash's Greninja from Pokemon. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna pick a point for his chin and draw a V shape. And from both ending points at the side, I'm gonna extend it upwards with curve line. And I'm gonna extend it further upwards on the left corner. On the right side, I'm gonna draw an oval shape for his eyes right there. And inside of that, I'm gonna draw in the middle point a diagonal curve line across. Below that, I'm gonna draw a semi-oval shape in the middle point right there. And inside of that, I'm gonna draw another semi-oval shape. From the inner corner of his eye on the left, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line across and slightly downwards to the left, right there. And from that point, I'm gonna turn it upwards, turn it diagonally to the right and upwards at that corner. Sharp turn back downwards. And at that ending point, I'm gonna draw a line sideways to the right and slightly downwards. Turn it back diagonally upwards to the right and extend it further outwards. Sharp turn back downwards and slightly inwards to the side of his head. Curve line across to the right. Sharp turn back inwards. Turn it back outwards to the right. Diagonal turn downwards and to the left. Turn it back sideways to the right. And curve line across to the left. Sharp turn diagonally downwards to the right. And curve line inwards to the inner corner of his eye on the left corner right there. Above his eye on the top right corner, I'm going to draw a curve line upwards. Turn it diagonally upwards to the right and to the tip of his horn right there. On the right side of his eye, I'm going to draw the lightning sign with diagonal line to the right. Sharp turn downwards. Diagonal turn back outwards and sharp turn back inwards. Turn it upwards at that corner and sideways to the left. At the inner corner of his eye, I'm going to draw a line sideways to the left, turn it downwards, right there. And from the upper point above his eye, I'm going to draw another line across to the left, turn it upwards. And from that point, I'm going to turn it diagonally to the right and slightly downwards. From the same point, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards. Above his eye on the left, I'm gonna draw a triangle shape at that corner right there. Now from the ending point on the left side of his face, I'm gonna draw a line upwards and slightly out. Turn it diagonally to the right and upwards. Sharp turn downwards at that corner. And below that, I'm gonna draw a line downwards and slightly to the right. Turn it back upwards to the right. Right there. From the ending point above, I'm gonna draw a line downwards. Turn it diagonally upwards to the right at that corner. Below that, I'm gonna draw another similar line across right there and another one at this lower point. In between the two lines, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at this lower point and another one at this upper point. Now I'm gonna mirror the same shape of the cheek on the left side, similar to the one on the right. Below his head on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards, semicircular turn to the right, curved line across to the right, and semicircular turn back upwards on the right side, turn it to the left to the side of his head. On the left side of his head, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards at his upper corner. Semicircle turn downwards at the outer point right here. Semicircle turn back to the right, and semicircle turn upwards and slightly to the left. On the right side of that ending point, I'm gonna draw a curved line across back to the side of his head. Now for his right arm, I'm gonna take a point on the right and draw a curved line out towards his elbow point, and on his elbow point, I'm gonna draw an oval shape right there. On the right side of that oval shape, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line downwards and to the right. Curved line across to the right, and at that ending point, I'm going to draw a semi-oval shape for the tip of his finger. Curved line across to the left, sharp turn back outwards with a curved line and slightly downwards. Repeat the same semi-oval shape for the tip of the middle finger, and curved line across back to the left, sharp turn diagonally downwards and to the right. Another oval shape for the tip of this finger. Diagonal curved line back upwards to his wrist, and in between the fingers I'm going to draw a curved line across right there, and from his wrist I'm going to draw a curved line to the left, semicircle turn upwards at the side of his elbow, and another curved line back to the left and to the side of his body. Turn it downwards with a curved line and semicircle turn slightly inwards at the lower point. From that ending point, I'm going to draw another curved line downwards for his thigh, semicircle turn inwards on his knee right there, and a line downwards and slightly to the left at that corner. A line downwards from that point, and a semi-oval shape for the tip of his toe right there. A line upwards, an arch curved line across to the left, turn it diagonally downwards, and semi-oval shape for the tip of that toe right there. From that ending point, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line upwards and slightly to the right. Turn it upwards at that corner. Sharp turn diagonally down and slightly to the right. Sharp turn back diagonally upwards to the right, and for the inner line of his thigh, I'm going to draw a curved line outwards to the left, semicircle turn upwards with another curved line, and slightly inwards to the right. Curved line upwards and slightly to the left in the middle of his legs. In the middle point of that line, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line downwards and to the left, semicircle turn upwards at the outer corner, and at that point I'm going to draw an oval shape right there, and above that oval shape I'm going to draw a curved line across to the right and slightly upwards, and from that ending point the curved line upwards. Now going back to his right leg, I'm going to draw on his knee another oval shape at that corner right there. And on the right side of his thigh, I'm going to draw a line across to the left. Sharp turn diagonally upwards to the right. Turn it diagonally to the left and up, and sideways to the right. In between his toes, I'm going to draw a curved line across right there. Now for his left lower leg, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards and to the right, and another similar line for the inner line of that leg. Turn it diagonally upwards to the right, and sharp turn back downwards diagonally to the left. At the tip of the toe, I'm going to draw an oval shape. Turn it diagonally upwards and slightly to the right, an arch curved line across to the left extend it downwards with a diagonal line and an oval shape at the tip of that toe right there. Diagonal line upwards for the other side of the foot. Curve line across in the middle of the foot right there. At the outer corner of the thigh, I'm going to draw a line downwards, turn it diagonally upwards to the right, and mirror that on the right corner right here. For the pattern in the middle of his chest, I'm going to draw a curved line from the side on the left, semicircle turn inwards, a V shape in the middle point, and I'm going to mirror the curved line on the right side right here. In the middle point of that, I'm going to draw a V shape at that corner. Below that, I'm going to draw an upside down V shape in the middle of his leg, right there. And extend the inner line of his thigh upwards on the right side right there. Now for his left arm, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line downwards for the outer line. Another curved line across to the left and an oval shape at that corner. Continue the line of his arms across to the left on the left side of that oval shape. And for the inner line of that arm, I'm going to draw another curved line outwards, another curved line across below the elbow point to the left, semicircle turn diagonal line downwards, an oval shape at the tip of that finger, turn it back diagonally upwards, sharp turn back outwards to the left, another oval shape at the tip of that finger, turn it back diagonally up, sharp turn back outwards, an oval shape at the tip of that finger, and a line upwards to the side of his wrist at the outer corner. In between his fingers, I'm going to draw a curved line across at that corner. Now for his wings, at the side of his arm, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line upwards and to the right, semicircle turn back inwards with another curved diagonal line. And inside of the wing, I'm going to draw some curved line across at that corner, and another one right there, and another one there, and slightly above that line. Below the arm, I'm going to continue that line from the top diagonally downwards and slightly to the left. I'm going to mirror the same shape for the lower part of the wing right there. And on the left side, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards from the waist to the side of his thigh right there. Now for his tail, from the side of his waist on the right, I'm going to draw a line outwards, sharp turn diagonally downwards to the side of his thigh. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!